If you need to forward an attachment in Yahoo Mail, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps to open the email, forward it, enter the recipient's email address, and send it off without any confusion. If this helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, look for the email that contains the attachment you want to forward. It could be a document, a photo, a PDF, or any other file that came through in the message. Now click on that email to open it. Take a moment to make sure the attachment is still visible and available in the message. If everything looks good, find the forward button in the email controls. In Yahoo Mail, this is the option that lets you send the same message onto someone else. Click forward and Yahoo Mail will open a new message window with the original email content included. At this point, you'll need to add the person you want to send it to. Click in the recipient field and type the email address carefully. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, because even one incorrect letter could send it to the wrong person or cause the message to fail. If you want, you can also add a short note above the forwarded attachment. This can help explain why you're sending it or what the recipient should look at. Once the recipient's email is entered and everything looks correct, review the message one more time. This step is important because forwarded emails can sometimes include extra text from the original message, so it's always a good idea to double check the content before sending. Make sure the attachment is still included and that the email address is correct. When you're ready, click Send. Yahoo Mail will deliver the forwarded email and attachment to the recipient right away. That's all there is to it. You've now forwarded an attachment on Yahoo Mail in just a few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides, tips, and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.